Hey there friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a smooth zoom in using DaVinci Resolve. So to quickly add a zoom in animation, I have my keyframe window here open. All you have to do to open this is click on show keyframe tray at the left side of your timeline settings. And I have my video. So I have a short portion here that I want to zoom in on, specifically right here. I want to zoom in on the Earl bar as soon as the mouse starts moving in its direction. So about here. So I want to sync up this motion so that the viewer is looking at the cursor as it moves to the Earl. So to do so, first I'm going to adjust the anchor point, which you can see by clicking on this button here, the transform button in your viewer. Then I'm going to just move it towards the top right. So this sets it so that it zooms in on the top left corner. I'm gonna add a keyframe for zoom here. I'm gonna move a few frames back to just before the mouse moves. So now I have two keyframes, here and here. You can see where the keyframes are in respect to your timeline by looking at this playhead. So that looks good. So starting here to here. Actually, I think I can move it a little more to the right to make this a bit more gradual. So at this point, the mouse cursor is on the Earl. So I'll move the keyframes and sync it up. With that done, now I'm going to change the zoom level here at the second keyframe by right clicking and dragging this. So as you can see, because of the anchor point, that automatically anchors the view. So I don't have to adjust anything like here in the position, and it just makes this process a lot faster. So now that that's done, I'm going to play the video, wait for the typing to finish. That's a pretty long pause. Ooh, that gone. It's about there. Gonna just trim out some of the empty space. Go back. YouTube.com. So by here, I want to start zooming out. So I'll add a keyframe again for the zoom. And there. So now I have two sets of keyframes with zoom in transitions. Actually, I think I forgot to change this. Yeah, change this to 1. Although if you'll notice, the zoom in seems it's using a linear speed curve. So what this means is it just changes the value smoothly going up and down. But if we want to change it to something more natural, we're going to have to use something called Bezier keyframes. And to do so, all we have to do is right click on the keyframe icon here, click on ease out, go to the next keyframe, click on ease in. So if we play the animation now, you can see it starts off fast and then slows down as the zoom in finishes. So that just makes it a bit more natural and pleasing to the eye. We can also change it here. Let's go for ease out again. Then this one, ease in. So let's watch the second animation. There we go. If we watch the whole thing, youtube.com, and zoom out. So that's how to add smooth zoom in transitions in DaVinci Resolve.